In this video, we will show you how to make a giant gumball machine and explore the fun physics of magnetic gumball run. Next, we will bake and make some delicious cookie shakers for our little guests at Trunk or Treat. It's Halloween and we're gonna make a giant gumball machine today with the magnetic run from National Geographic. Let's put it together. So it's magnetic gumball machine. So I got a big piece of sheet metal and I glued it onto a big 2x4. And now we're gonna build the base and the top for it, and we're gonna stick the gumball up here so it's gonna drop down. I'm gonna build a little catcher for our gumball machine. Just using these wood that I've got from Home Depot. So I'm gonna first use wood glue. Now I'm gonna put the edges on like this. And now we have the tray to catch the gumballs. I'm just gonna put it underneath. Now we're gonna put a shelf on top. Now that the shelf is on, we're gonna put the gumball machine on top. And we need to somehow glue this on here, and we have this liquid nails Fuse It Max, so we're going to glue it underneath to have this attached to the wood.
Hi, I'm Kay, and today we're going to make a National Geographic magnetic marble run. Come and see, I'll show you step by step, and you can pause it if you want to make it. Let's go make it. Marble starts here. They go down the straight track. You turn down the stage track to the edge, and then down to the curved track, to the pole, and then to the bottom.
So when this jumps, it'll fly over here, and if it goes over, it'll catch here and go back in the funnel. So when you hit the ball like this, oh, you see, it jumped.
So this is the seesaw-like. So the marble either goes left or right. So instead of using your hand to ring the bell, you use a marble to ring the bell. Whee! Here's a fun fact about the spider stairs. It's like an elevator for marble. No humans can go on it because it's too small for us.
We finally finished building our giant gumball machine.
That's right, and it's also the magnetic marble run.
Let's check it out. The gumballs from the gumball machine is gonna drop gumballs. Make some shaker cookies today, and look, I cut out some Hello Kitty pumpkin and with hearts cut out, and I'm making a little house also with some hearts cut out, and we're gonna fill it with some candy later, sandwich it like a cookie, and we'll put some sprinkles inside so you know, kids can shake the cookies.
Mommy, what are you making?
I'm pouring isomalt, which is like a hard candy, so it'll look like glass.
Wow, that's very creative of you. Is that an idea or did you make that up?
Oh, I saw it on the Hushim cookbook.
Wow.
Finally finished these shaker cookies. Look, Shake, shake, shake. Isn't that cool? Look at that.
So for the trunk or treat, I'm being Karomi. If you can see Karomi on the shirt, like right here. I also have like those little ears for Karomi. She's a cat. I'm not sure if there's a tail on the back.
Here we are setting up at our school's trunk or treat. Kay is setting up the giant Gumball marble run machine for the kids to play with. And I am setting up all the Hello Kitty shaker cookies, Sanrio balloon headbands, hair accessories, and keychains. And last but not least, we like to offer fresh treats, which are lots of cotton candy with crunchy popping candies. And in the spirit of candy holiday, wish you lots of sweet treats.
Okay. I'm at this school and I joined a marble run.
Let's go. Perfect. It worked. Thank you. Katie, what is the science behind this? You can explain.
Tell us. We don't.
What is it? Gravity.
Gravity.
Okay. Yes.
So cool. I tried it.
Oh, wow. There you go. You did
I want to
it.
do it for my laundry.
Are you getting to go this way?
Honestly, just for one more time.
Alright. Sorry.
That's okay.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
If you like Hello Kitty, like and subscribe or say in the comments.
Cherry Juice Club.